Did you know some car engines can last over 1,000,000 miles without even blinking? Yep, you heard that right. That's like driving from New York to Los Angeles. More than 60 times. Crazy, right? Automobile dashing away. Stick around, because today we're counting down the top 10 most unstoppable car engines ever built. These are the legends of reliability, engines that refuse to die. If your car could hit 1,000,000 miles, what's the first road trip you'd take? Tell me in the comments. Why engines fail. Let's be real. We've all had that sinking feeling when the check engine light pops up. Overheating, oil leaks, blown head gaskets, total headache. That's why having a dependable engine isn't just about performance. It saves you thousands in repairs and gives you peace of mind. So which engines are the real MVPs? Let's start our countdown. Number 10, Toyota 22RE. This 2.4L inline 4-powered Toyota pickups and 4Runners in the 80s and 90s. Ask any off-road fan, this thing is bulletproof. Whether it's blazing desert heat or freezing snow, the 22RE just keeps going. Some drivers even claim it survived being submerged in water. Can your car do that? Didn't think so. Backhand index pointing right if you've ever owned one. Drop a Toyota strong in the comments. Number 9, Honda K20.0L inline 4 is famous for its insane high revs and rock-solid reliability. Found in the Civic Type R, it's loved by tuners and daily drivers alike. Here's the crazy part. Even after 200,000 miles, many of these engines are still screaming like new. It's proof that Honda didn't just build cars. They built trust. Number 8, Ford 300 inline 6. Coming in at 8, the Ford 4.9L inline 6, also known as the 300. This wasn't just an engine. It was the backbone of Ford trucks for 3 decades. Farmers, tradesmen, truck lovers, they all swear by it. Low-end torque like a beast, and miles that just don't stop. Many hit 300,000 plus with nothing but oil changes. If you're enjoying this list, smash that like button. It helps us bring you more gearhead content. Number 7, Mercedes OM 617 Diesel. Number 7, the Mercedes OM 617, a diesel legend. Stories of these engines running over 600,000 miles without a rebuild are everywhere. Mercedes taxis in the 80s literally racked up 500,000 miles like it was nothing. Built from solid iron, chain-driven, almost indestructible. This engine didn't just power cars. It powered Mercedes' reputation for durability. Number 6, Nissan SR20DE. At 6, the Nissan SR20DE. Turbocharged, tunable, and tough. This engine made the Silvia and 180SX legends in the drifting world. Mod it, race it, abuse it, the SR20 still keeps going. Stock versions easily cross 200,000 miles. Proof that performance and reliability can go hand in hand. Number 5, Chevy Small Block V8. Halfway, if American muscle had a heartbeat, this would be it. The 350 cubic inch version powered muscle cars, hot rods, and trucks for decades. Simple design, cheap parts, and endless reliability. Even today, these engines are roaring down highways like living legends. Backhand index pointing right before we reveal the top 4. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss more epic car lists like this. Number 4, BMW M30. Produced from the late 60s to the 90s, this inline 6-powered iconic BMWs. Smooth, powerful, and durable. Many hit 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. This engine laid the foundation for the driving experience BMW is known for today. Number 3, Chrysler Slant 6. At 3, the Chrysler Slant 6. Built from 1959 into the 2000s, its tilted 30-degree design made it unique and durable. So tough it would keep running even when badly maintained. 500,000 miles? No problem. Mopar fans still call it one of the toughest engines ever made. Number 2, Toyota 2JZ GTE. The Supra made it famous, tuners made it immortal. Stock internals can handle over 1,000 horsepower. That's insane. Yet even unmodified, the 2JZ can last well beyond 300,000 miles. It's not just an engine, it's a dynasty. Number 1, Volvo B230 Plus wrap-up. And number 1, the Volvo B230. Volvo is known for safety, but this 2.3L inline 4 is almost unkillable. 500,000 miles? Many owners did it easily. This engine is proof that sometimes the toughest things are hidden under the hood. So there you have it, 10 engines that refuse to die. Which one's your favorite? Or do you have your own million-mile story? Share it in the comments. Backhand index pointing right, don't forget. Hit like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and check out our other videos popping up right now. Thanks for watching, and keep driving strong. Automobile fire.